Hey everyone, it's Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I so appreciate all your love, support, kind comments. It means the world to me. Guys, I'm on today to share my makes into a collab that's called hashtag Crack the Vault 2025. This is a collab hosted by Jamie, who is Poetspice here on YouTube. And what she challenges us to do is crack the vault. Go into our crafty stash, pull out items we purchased, have never used them, haven't used them in 6 months, have them for like over a year or two, haven't even opened it. And it's for us to use all of our crafty goodness that we purchase and to create projects with. We post on the third Friday of every month at 10 a.m. Eastern. There's a host of talented, crafty ladies who are participating, and links to each one of their videos is below. Show them some love. So for my Crack the Vault this month, and can you believe it's October? Where has the time gone? You blink and we will be in a new year. So I pulled out a card kit that I picked up when I went to a scrapbook expo a couple of years ago. I have never used this, opened it, or anything. It's a simple story, simple card kit called What's Cooking. Now, for any of you who are beginner card makers, these kits are an excellent way for you to get into card making because the kit contains everything you need. You get all of the pieces, matte layers, as well as card bases that will make an A2 size card, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5. So and there's instructions that come in here, and all you have to do is follow it. So I said, let me pull this out. I've had it for a couple of years. I have not used it. Why not be my Crack the Vault for October? So that is the kit I use. And in addition, I added some of this bling from Jolie's. And this is some bling I picked up on one of my Ali trips in an Ali's haul. So that's all I use. Well, no, I stand corrected. I did use some paper out of my stash, to coordinate for the inside of the card because you only get in the kit to create the outside of the card. Okay, so let me stop going on and let me share with you the 3 cards that I created. And in some of them, I did pop them up with foam dots to give it a little bit dimension. But those are the 3 cards I created. Let me give you a closer look at each card. So here is this one. This is that bling I used from Jolie's. Everything you see on the front of this card, except for the bling, came in that card kit. Here is the inside, and this is where I was telling you I just used paper in my stash to create a layer and a white piece of paper for you to handwrite a sentiment, or you can stamp something in there. I'm not sure who I would want to give this to, so I left it blank, so that way when I'm ready to gift it, I can either stamp or write my message in there, and I'm good to go. But that's the first one. And I did pop this up with foam dots. The instructions in the kit doesn't call for it, but really the kit is to give you a starting base, and then you can create it, add stuff to create it and make it your own. Here is the second one. I really like this one. And you get all of these pieces in here with the exception of the little heart bling that I added. And I popped that up, the house and the sweet home, and that's how I layered the inside of the card. Isn't that pretty? I really like that. And here's the last one that I created. Wishing you a happy day. And you can gift this just for someone to perk up their day, or a happy birthday. But the kit makes it easy for you to create cards in a cinch. So the cardboard pieces came in, all of this came. Now, the only difference I did with the mitten is I popped it up, and as you can see, I added some glossy accents to the heart just to give it a little glow. And when you open it up, that's how I matted the inside. So guys, those are my makes for hashtag Crack the Vault 2025. We post on the third Friday of each month for the year at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Links to everyone's YouTube channel who is participating are below. Show them some love. Jamie, thank you for hosting this collab. It is really letting me pull stuff out that I forgot I had and had never used. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to my comments. I want you guys to continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.